Ciao bello, ciao bella, and here I come with my public domain Empire 6 review by the one and only, drumroll, Alessandra Zamboni from Bella Italia, of course. Right, okay guys, this product just went live a few hours ago, 10 a.m., well, the 16th of November, obviously 2023. 10 a.m. New York time. If I wasn't looking at this number 2023, I could easily say 2022 or 2024, because I am no respecter of time. As it happens. Alright, so what's public domain Empire 6? Guys, as I said, did I say it? No, I'm saying it now. I am coming slightly late, even though I did have an early review access from Alessandro to this product. Okay, I've checked it all out. I mean, I read it all. Okay, it's an ebook, 100 pages long. That's why, I took my sweet time. It was really fascinating for me to go through this product, okay? I'll explain more why so, but okay, the members area is sweet and short, yeah? But you will have 1, 2, 3 clickable links. The first one, if you click on the first one, it's going to take you to this ebook, which will be 100 pages long, loaded with all sorts of links to public domains of all kinds. Okay? And for those who don't understand what public domains are, I didn't. Some time ago, I didn't. I had no idea what it was. I mean, I just didn't know it was called like this. I did know it existed, but I just didn't realize that's what it's called. So, there you go. We all, as they say, we only know what we know. We don't know what we don't know. And there was something else, which was also quite interesting. But once we know something, we cannot unknow it. Alright, so now I cannot unknow it. Okay, anyhow, back to the members area. This is your second link, which I used, okay, because it's going to take you to this flip book, which I totally love, okay? So there you go. You've got a disclaimer first, and then introduction from Alessandra Zamboni about, what this training course is all about, what are public domains and all of that. Okay, and as you can see, here is an introduction as to, he says that we are surrounded by the public domain every day in everything we do. Anything that the people can use is in effect in the public domain. It is, right? Because it belongs to the public. We can freely use it. We can freely benefit from it. Okay. But here in this training course, he refers to the intellectual property, if you may, okay, especially for us marketers, okay, that we can use, that is already public domain, which means you can, I'm sorry, something in my eye, which means we can access it freely, okay. There are tons and tons of websites of which existence we don't know because we didn't do the research. Or if you're not interested in something, you would not look for it, right? But there is an ocean of possibilities that we never take advantage of. It's a pity, really. But I guess it depends on, what an individual is interested in after all, right? But anyhow, for those who want to make money with public domain assets, okay, intellectual properties, like books, guys, music, pictures, videos, and so much more, like even government documents, that you can use for all kinds of projects you may want, okay, and also just takes bits and pieces, put it into your own original product, write your own book, and basically the rule number one when it comes to public domain, let's say a book, it becomes a public domain after 70 years have passed after the author died. Okay, So yes, when it comes to the movies, it will be a bit more complicated because we take a few individuals into account, like the director, the script writer, and two more, if I will remember, from the guide individuals. So it will be 70 years from after the longest living died, if you know what I mean. Okay, when it comes to a movie, then it becomes a public domain, and so each year more and more public domains are available, because obviously, and it all started from 19, I believe, 27, this public domain, from there was this convention in Bern, I believe, if I well remember from reading this guide. Anyhow, so what you need to know, and this is a cool way to read this guide. I'm just flipping through, as you can see. Super cool, loads of links available. It's 100 pages long, guys. And not only, does Alessandro give you all of the links to those public domains of all kinds again, but here with the chapter number 4, he starts with public domain money-making methods, and he gives you 10 methods on how you can make money with them, okay? Obviously, I'm just gonna flip through quickly, not to reveal the information, because that's not cool, but you did have a sneak peek into what you're getting yourself into here, I guess. Okay, so that's the members area, but you will also, if you prefer to read it like that as a PDF, you have it available in that format as well. Okay, sorry, why am I saying sorry? I feel like my cheeks are on fire because I just had a very, very hot bath and I'm drinking this very hot ginger tea as well, so I feel like super hot. Oh, it's nice because the winter is really, it feels like it's here in London. Even though the weather has been okay, I wouldn't complain. I like it. I like all seasons. So, okay, let's go. This is the sales page, guys. Check out the sales page. It is fantastic, okay? It is all well described here, what kind of product you're getting here. Volume sort of 6. So updated with new public domains, and 10 how to make money with public domains methods have been added to this edition, guys. Okay, so he's been really very fascinated by this public domain opportunity himself for years. So Alessandro has done so much research and he's done his due diligence onto, what would be the best platforms, the best websites to get those intellectual properties from that you can reuse, resell. You can really keep 100% profits because they are copyright free, right? So no royalties. There's no royalties to pay if I'm making sense, right? The copyright's free. Okay, so that's Alessandro. Please read through the sales page. Yeah, it's beautiful, describes this product, it's spot on, describes the product really, really clearly. It is listed here, what you're getting here, so you're getting over 200 public domain resource websites, so many resources, guys. And even as I was clicking through those links, I was like, ooh, some cool movies, I can watch for free or download it. Seriously, you can make them into you can take this information, these materials, and make them into memberships, newsletters. It's really your imagination that is the limit, and your passion, your desire. It's what you want to do with it, okay? As they say, where there's a will, there's a way. And I totally believe in that. Now then, obviously, also he included here the best new public domain content in 2023 because, again, each year new public domains are being added to this ocean of public domains. And also in this guide you will find 10 brand new monetization methods like Kindle, printables, and new techniques. And I also have some bonuses that will help you with traffic and ways to sell it. I'll talk about my bonuses a bit later. And then, 100 pages of tips and tricks you will find in this guide and way more. So that's Alessandro. These are public domains. These amazing drawings, or pictures, or let me see what they are. I'm not too sure, but beautiful for sure. Okay, and some testimonials about this product. I like this one in particular. I can say this guy is a writer himself. Yeah, super cool way of giving a testimonial. Alright, so this is the course. These are the bonuses. You also get this new ChatGPT software, but you will need ChatGPT 4 to use this software. And this software will be available if you click through this link here. Okay, and I believe we are almost done with the sales page. So $17 for now. Now let's check out the rest of the funnel, guys. 14 days money back guarantee. I love Alessandro Zamboni. He's really becoming probably my favorite vendor. I like Dimitris, the Papa as well, a lot, from Warrior Plus. Okay, let's see if he's already sold any. Oh, 100 plus. Voila, people are loving it. Oh, I highlighted everything here that was possible. And let's check out the funnel, and then I'll show you my bonuses, guys. So there will be 4 upsells. Upsell number 1, you will get a chance to purchase the newest guide on how to make money with public domain and artificial intelligence. So winning connection, as he says, $27. OTO number 2. So you will be given the opportunity to buy the first 5, the first 5 versions with the exclusive bonuses, all of them, for $37 instead of $112, so a massive saver. So the previous versions of public domain, so public domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now it's 6, obviously. OTO number 3. You'll be given the opportunity to buy all of the upsells of all of the upsells, because obviously each, public domain, let's say 1 would have had, 2, 3, 4 upsells. So to each of them, you'll get a chance to buy all of the upsells of the first 5 editions of public domain Empire for 37 instead of, guys, 400. Wow, this is huge, this one. Anyhow, OTA number 4. So this is the public domain cookbooks collection funnel. Right, okay, that will give you access to 300 public domain cookbooks. So if you're into cooking, healthy eating, all of that, if you have, maybe a website with recipes, this would be priceless, I guess. Okay, and that will sell for $27. Alright, guys, and to sum it up, not time for it yet, but let me show you my bonuses. So the first one, what I'll give you access is a course on Etsy. The second one will be desktop vertical video training. The third one, ultimate video traffic trick training course. Guys, these are full-blown training courses. This is on Etsy, all of that. Etsy will be definitely the platform for selling those assets, intellectual properties taken from public domains, right? So you can totally sell it on Etsy. And then desktop vertical video, creating shorts, one of the cool ways to sell public domains as well. And actually, Alessandro does mention shorts, which are very trendy. That would be an excellent way of monetizing public domains. And then the last bonus I'll give you on Facebook groups, which are very special Facebook groups, not your usual Facebook groups. Full training course, super cool training course by Mark Hess. Okay, very good quality. He's a very, very clever, very smart guy. He's kind of gone missing in action, but I still value him and respect his work and his knowledge, his skills a lot. He put together some amazing training courses. Yeah, this is your additional way of generating traffic to whatever you want to sell. Alright guys, so that was my review on Public Domains Empire 6. Am I right? Yeah, Public Domain Empire 6. And I was probably with my head in the clouds. That's what happens to me after the buff. But anyhow, if you like it, guys, if you like it, you can get it from me. If you like it, if you think this is for you, okay, you can totally get it from me. The link to the sales page will be right below my review. $17 for now, good price. After the launch it will go up. So grab the bull by its horns while you can, okay? Because, you know, soon the bull will become more expensive. Okay, I'm talking nonsense, I know. Alright, good night. Love you and leave you. Ciao, and see you soon. Bye bye.